Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone has NFC and that Android supports the card format. This matters because not all chips read every card. Next, enable NFC in settings under Connected Devices, then set Screen to stay on for testing. Once done, unlock the device and remove a thick case. The antenna often sits near the top or back. Hold the card steady against the area while you watch the screen. Doing these first steps avoids connection drops and lets you proceed to the actual write or read task. Now, open a trusted NFC app that supports the card type. You need an app for reading or emulation because stock tools may be limited. Select Read or Scan, then tap the card to the antenna area for 1 to 3 seconds until the app shows the data. If you need emulation, switch to Emulate Mode and follow prompts to add the card. Make sure you grant required permissions. Once the app reports success, verify the data and test the function, payments, or access before moving to finalization. Finish by verifying the actual transaction or access works. Test the use case in real conditions. If it fails, first reposition the card. Small shifts matter and retry. Once done, clear the NFC app cache or restart the phone because lingering services can block new connections. If you still can't read or emulate, make sure the card itself isn't locked by the issuer or encrypted with incompatible keys. A key troubleshooting tip: if readings are intermittent, try another NFC app and remove cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.